But the teaching of the Om is that this sound is the sound that developed all life. This is the sound of creation. But I listen to bell hooks for that moment. And what I'm understanding is profound, prolonged lamentation. Maybe that Om is the sound of the wailing of loss. And that everything we have is created by our grief and our wailing of loss. This is a place of goodbyes. Maybe that's the sound of all creation, is the sound of letting go. Everything's held in place until the sound of letting go cracks it open. And it's for an eternity scattering.